So, the virus, believed to be degenerative, attacks the human brain with symptoms similar to that of a dementia patient. Now, Dr. Peter Jordan, is there any defense against this?
Well, the virus is transmitted through Wi-Fi signals.
We know this for sure?
Well, I know this for sure. That's why you're talking to me, isn't it? I'm telling you now.
And what can we do about that? Are you suggesting that perhaps we need to wrap ourselves and everything in tinfoil?
Well, if you can manage to, but not used, by the way, it's not a laughing matter. If you can manage to emit an electromagnetic pulse from your body or near your body, if you can figure out how to do that, then all power to you, sir.
Okay, sorry, I'm just being informed that we need to...
See it, Bob.
Yeah, just give me a minute. Dad, where are you? Yeah, but where? No. Are you heading home? Alright, I'll meet you there.
Where is it? What are you doing? Dad, where is it? What? I've told you to wear it at all times.
Bloody weak eye, Dad. And it's probably an hoax, like 9/11.
Oh, Dad, 9/11 wasn't an hoax.
God, you younger, do you know notes?
26, Dad.
Oh, well, you know, bugger all.
What are you on about?
We're coming round, they said. I said, who, they said? They said, we're coming round with the band. I said, I don't know what you're on about, I said. They said, we're coming round to fit the band. I said, well, I'll tell you, if it's got anything to do with bodily fluids or things that should be inside the body, outside of the body, you can forget about it. They're coming round, they said, on Wednesday. I said, Wednesday, I said. Wednesday's me bull, the balls, the green, the balls day at the green. We're coming round, they said.
Smart what? Dad, what are you on about?
I can't get away. I can't get away from this. I never want out, I never ask for out. They just come and take it.
Dad.
I'm not your dad. But
Don't say that. But what did they do?
they took you away from me.
What? No, this smart thing, what did they put in?
I don't know. It would ban road ban thing. I think.
Broadband?
I don't know. I can't remember. I don't know. I want my ball back. Get off me! Get off me!
It's not working!
Get off!
It's because you're fiddling with
It's
it!
my birthday today. It's my birthday.
Dad, how long have you had Wi-Fi?
I can't. Oh, it's gone. I can't remember.
Dad, I love you.
What's that word?
Love. I love you, Dad, and I know I don't say it enough.
I made you.
You did? You did?
Where's Brenda?
Dad.
My wife. Wife?
Dad, she's...
Brenda.
She's... Dad, she's...
Brenda!
We're going to meet her now.
Are we? Where?
We're going to see her now, Dad.
Are we? Will we have rice pud?
Yeah.
With jam?
With jam.
With jam. I'm tired now. Sleep.
Congratulations, you made it.
The jaws make it.
You, the chosen few, can now welcome in the end of all suffering.
Look, we knew there were going to be canaries. It's good, right? It means it's everywhere.
The old way is gone. The ways of war,
We made
and
it,
pain,
Captain.
and decay. We are the future. We are free.
We made it.
We are the people. We are the land. Congratulations, you made it. You, the chosen few, can now welcome in the end of all suffering.